Hey there, let's focus on how to create custom resolver. So I just created the empty solution here and I'm going to add three folders. I'm going to follow the Helix architecture. So feature, foundation and then project. Oops. Foundation and then project. Okay. Let's create the new project under the foundation layer, add new project and then .NET framework and then next, then give the name. I'm going to give a name like customization. Let's give the name like freelance, your project name, and then dot your layer name and then dot your project name customization and then my location is let me click here and I can see these three layers are not available here. So let me create one folder src. Within src I like to create three folders and then we can use our foundation folder here, foundation and then feature, okay, and then project. Foundation, select folder and then create. I like to create the empty project. Let me remove this and then create. It is created and looks good and let's change to build action and then save it. So in my project, if I want to add any custom resolver, then I can use this project. Let me create a new folder resolvers and let's start to add our custom resolver under this folder. Resolvers. Let's create a new CS file and then freelance navigation resolver. Yep. So for creating custom resolver, we need some reference from the Sitecore.layout service assembly. So we need to add the assembly here. How we can add that? We can directly go to the NuGet packages and there we can add our Sitecore.kernel and then Sitecore.layout service. Let's try to find that and go to this NuGet. Here I can see I have only the NuGet.org. I need to add my Sitecore NuGet, then only it will work. So for that, just go to your package manager settings, and then package. So yeah, here we go. And then now I can't find it. Let me open it again. No, it is not loaded it. I think we need to restart our Visual Studio. Okay, I missed to update. How it's happened? Sitecore update and then okay. It's my mistake. Sitecore source and then kernel. Okay, I mean installed. Sitecore.kernel and my version is Sitecore version. Just go to your license details section and then there you can find your version. My version is 10.4.0. So let me install this one first and then we have to install sitecore.layout service. Apply. I accept. Okay, I'm getting error like could not install package 10.4.0. You are trying to install this package into project target. Framework 407.2. Okay. Okay, I think it's not compatible. Properties. Let's try to change it 4.8. Manage NuGet. Kernel. Install. This time I can see this much. Okay, apply. Okay, accept. I think we are installing the correct version. So if you are working with 10.4 version, please make sure to use .NET Framework 4.8. Okay, it is installed now. My next assembly is layout. Layout service. Okay, it's the latest one. Let's install it. Apply. I accept. Okay, it is installed now. Now we can start to write our logic. Okay, guys. Guys, I prepared the code for that, but we have to do the debugging and we have to see how it's the result is coming. Anyways, I will push my code changes to my Git repo, so you can take it from there if you want. Okay, let me deploy this DLL. So already I opened my www root and let me take this DLL file first. Um, Right click, open file. Okay, let's go to this www root. Then here and then bin, and I'm copying my files. This is my file. Okay, and then paste and then continue. Yeah, here we go. Our DLL is ready. How we are going to connect these files with our layout? That's my next question. So for that, just go here and then here we have to connect our resolver. But anyways, I deployed my DLL. It may take few seconds to reload. Let's wait. It is loaded now. Let's go to content editor. And then system and then modules and then layout service. Here I can find all the custom resolver. So we can add our own custom resolver here. Just duplicate and then name it freelance navigation resolver. If you want, you can add a name custom and then OK. And here I can see, here we have to give our namespace name and then our class name. Let's take it. It's my namespace. That means our DLL name. And then my class name. Okay. Then save the item. And I don't like to touch any other settings here. Use context item. Okay. Contact this item instead of the data source. Oh, okay. Let's use context item then. Um, yeah, so we are good. Let me map this new resolver to my like rendering. My Sitecore is loading. Let me wait. So my Sitecore is reloaded. I'm going to connect my rendering with my custom content resolver. So freelancing Next.js app, freelance logo, and go here. Yep, here we go. I can find my custom resolver and save it. I'm going to check my response now. I haven't done the debugging yet. I'm directly checking that. Let's see. Okay, freelance logo here. I can see about and then URL and then children, about to, and then category and then work. In the work, I can see the children work and then this URL. Okay, but I think I have to generate the URL with link manager. Okay, it looks good only. Yep, now I have to bind these values in my logo component. So for that, here you can see I added all the navigations item, but my logo and then title field is missing. That I will fix it later. Let's see how we can bind these values in the Next.js application. So I just want to check my experience editor view. See, my title and image is gone, and I can see only my navigation values. Because these values are coming as a static value, so we can see we need to work on it. Yep, finally I have done some changes in my front-end code application. Here I did all the change. And anyways, this logo and field is not coming. We just need to modify our code. And currently it's giving the response like children, items and then children. Let me try to add one more nested children here. Let's see what will happen. I think it is refreshing. Content editor, whatever changes you need, you can directly add your changes in your C# code. Currently I'm reading from the context item, but if you have a navigation like a start item is always home item, then you have to write a code for that specific need. For demo purpose only, I directly reading from the context item. Create about 3 and then insert and then save, then check your layout service, freelance logo, freelance logo. Yeah, see children and then children. So we can bind the structure like this, and in experience editor I just opened that and I'm checking here about category data and then work. Our data also coming, so we need to exclude our this folder. So that logic also we need to include. So anyways, on this video, we learned how to create a custom resolver and how to map it with our rendering, the JSON rendering, and how we can see the response in the layout service, and then how we can bind the values in the Next.js code. So on this video, what we learned is layout service and then content resolver, how to create the content resolver and how to map it with our rendering. And so layout service, it's just like an engine. It will give the content in the structured way in the JSON structure, and then content resolver, it will resolve your content based on your routes and then custom logic and then your context. I hope you enjoyed this video, and next video I will learn something and then I will deliver here. Thank you so much.